Let us study effect of, or we can say factors. Factors affecting speed of sound. The first factor is, let us study what is the effect of pressure. For studying the pressure, recently we have derived the formula P equal to square root of gamma P upon rho, where rho is the density of air, that is mass upon volume. If you substitute these values in this equation, square root of gamma P upon mass upon volume means it becomes square root of gamma PV upon mass of the gas. This mass is the mass of unit volume of gas. Here gamma is constant, m is constant, and from gas equation we can see PV equal to RT for 1 mole of gas at constant temperature. Means if we substitute here this gamma into RT upon m, all these quantities are constant. Therefore, velocity remains constant. Means we can conclude that there is no change on velocity of sound if there is an increase or decrease in the pressure. Because when we increase the pressure, volume will decrease. If we decrease the pressure, volume will increase. It will be compensated at constant temperature. This is the first factor. Second factor about the temperature. If you see this equation, same equation, velocity equal to square root of gamma RT upon m. For the same gas, suppose velocity is V0 for temperature T0 and velocity V1 for different temperature, therefore that is gamma RT1 upon m. Dividing both these quantities, V1 upon T1, V1 upon V0 equal to gamma R, M are constants. They will get cancelled and we can say that is T1 upon T0. T0, suppose T0 is 0 degree centigrade. At that time, this is the velocity. T0 0 degree centigrade means we can say it is 273 Kelvin. And T1 is a small temperature, another temperature at which we find out the velocity of sound. Therefore, V1 equal to V0 into T plus 273 divided by 273 raised to half. V0 into 1 plus 1 upon 273 into T raised to half. Recently, we have studied binomial theorem in mathematics. From binomial expansion, we can say V equal, this equal to V0 into 1 plus 1 half into 1 upon 273 into T plus 1 half into 1 half minus 1 upon 2 factorial 1 by 273 square T square and so on. On expansion, we will find that 1 upon 273 is small value. Again, its square will be very small. That's why rest of the terms are neglected and simply we can say 1 plus 1 upon 2 into 273 into T. Means V minus V0, V1 minus V0 equal to, if we multiply here, it will be V0 upon 2 into 273 into T, T1. If we substitute one value here, 1 degree temperature rise. At that time, the change in velocity becomes V0 means we know it is 340 upon 2 into 273. It comes to nearly 0.61 meter per second. Means we can conclude for every degree rise of temperature, the velocity of sound increases by 0.61 meter per second. And effect of pressure, temperature, this formula can be utilized. And this is one more. This is also called as a temperature coefficient of sound. This is the equation from which we can generate at different velocities, temperature can be generated, or if out of these four quantities anyone is not given, can be found out. This shows that there is no change in effective velocity of sound due to pressure.